Today is the day we pull the motor. I'm George. This is Nick. This is Edwin. We got Hayden here drinking his beers. That's what we're all doing. So far we took the head, most of the accessories and tubes and all the other good stuff. We've got the cherry picker connected to everything.
We're going to try a side.
Yeah, we're going from the side
dismount.
here. And our number one imperative is to figure out what on the bottom end is good and whether the transmission is good. So it's going to come out after we get the motor. Other than the head being completely full of solid coolant, things are in pretty good condition so far. Unfortunately, McDevitt broke our timing cover, but no big deal. It's a cheap part, and we're excited to have her out.
Okay, first off, I'd like to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you enjoy what you're seeing. That'll let me know you're enjoying it, and I can keep making more content. If you'd like to follow this build closer, check out my Instagram. You can find it searching McDevitt Machines, just like this account. I post more of the day-to-day stuff we're doing on it. So here in this video, you're seeing Edwin and I work on the trans bolts. Edwin right now is throwing a strap under the transmission to support it up while we actually pull the motor. So yeah, we pull the transmission bolts while George is working on the motor mounts here, you can see. The good camera we're using right now for this time lapse ends up dying on us here pretty quickly, and we switch over to an iPhone camera once we get the motor loose, and you can see everything there shortly. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.
Yeah! Let's go! Yes, sir.
Now we gotta make sure everything's off of it that we need it off. Anything hanging from it, put over the top.
Everything looks good on this end.
We got this over here.
That's good.
This looks good.
Yes, sir. Pound that shit, Edwin.
Clan screwdriver.
Oh, yeah.
Sponsorship.
Oh, my
Start moving
God.
it forward. We're gonna go out, straight out the front of the vehicle.
There you go.
And then we'll go around and pull it into the garage.
Go ahead. Higher.
Don't try to lift up on it. Let the jack do that work.
No, I'm trying to stabilize it up front.
It looks like everybody then. Oh, she's spitting the oil. Oh! That coolanty oil.
After she came out.
It is thirsty.
Yeah. Alright. I think we go to the side now.
Yes, sir. Alright, get it oriented to where we just pull straight back.
We gotta watch this side.
Oh, yeah.
What was it?
I just ceased.
Wait, don't. Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Grab this
Like,
chain and pull it this way as we go out. Just to bring the engine forward. And then wait, hold on.
You're scraping the rotor. You're watching the rotor.
Alright, now go back.
You're scraping the rotor. Here, gotta rotate.
Well, so much for not getting that on the paint.
Here, let's
Oh,
get it
just
off
wipe
the
it out.
water.
Grab the. Where's the bucket? Where's the bucket?
We got a cleaner.
It's over there.
This one's cleaner.
Can you grab the bucket? Yeah, the bucket back in the back.
But I mean, it's.
I guess.
It's
Is it fine?
Yeah, at this point it's already kind of all out. Honestly, it smells more like gas than
Well, it could be.
fucking oil.
Definitely could be. Can you grab a couple of them 2x, the smaller
put any
ones?
matches out in the garage. For the next couple of days.
We're gonna set it on them. Gently.
Love to fucking see cold.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, most of it, isn't it?
That's almost all of it. Outside of this, this reservoir needs to go. We may check on, that's the steering.
No,
Can we
actually,
put
you're right.
both of